Hello, it's already 1:58 in the morning. Again, puyat na naman ako. So, kwento lang. Today I decided to conduct a mukbang. So, everyday, napapansin ko kasi is pag 12 to 2, parang pagod na ang utak ko. So, hindi na siya conducive ng bagong info. So, what I did is that I decided that ang magiging mangyayari na lang is pag 12 to 2 na magko-answer na ako ng mga past bar questions, and I did kanina. I did that, get a single thing. Wala ako nakuha, putang ina. Like 0 out of 5 pare. Tapos yung mga mali pa ako, tangin na to. Sabi nga pag sumasagot ako, sabi tangin na, pangit ng sagot ko. Putang ina, nakakasuka, napakagago. It sucks. Pero, sabi ko, okay na to. Kasi, imagine it's just, diba? It's already a year pa before for example, I'm preparing na gumakbar na ako kung nag-effort of tinatapos ko lahat ng libro. Pero okay lang yun. okay lang yun, basura ako ngayon kaysa basura ako pag bar exam. So even if I suck right now, it's not always gonna be that way. I know that I'm a type of person who always improve, who eventually learn stuff. Okay lang yun, kahit basura yun. Importante natuto ako. So yan, it's already 2. Yun, I'm going home na and going to sleep. And bukas, aral ulit. Same goes. Bye bye.